Hi, Dr. Shannon PT here today with this little lady, and we are going to see how she does with trying out the little balance box. We're going to work on showing how you introduce it to a little one when they're starting to pull to stand, and then progress with their balance and walking skills.
When a child is ready, they are demonstrating a variety of motor and mobility skills. She moves in and out of sitting and quadruped positions, maintains good head control and balance. Movements of the arms are smooth, not shaky. Coordinated crawling using the arms and legs. She is then able to control her movements and slowly move into a seated position. Notice if your child is able to correct themselves when they have a loss of sitting balance. Her safety reflexes kick in by reaching back to catch herself and keep from falling. Start by tapping on the top. This draws the child's interest to the drum sound and clear top. Next, moving the little balance box back and forth demonstrates to the child that it moves when pushed. Kneeling is a critical position used for transitions. She moves from crawling through a variety of kneeling positions. The top is the perfect height and surface to hold and place toys. Assistance may be needed for new walkers as they practice moving from half kneeling and transitioning as they pull up to stand. Kneeling is important because it allows muscles on the front and back of the body to work together and maintain an upright position. Here the child is exploring the feel of the springs in the feet. As she is pushing down, the springs are giving her sensory feedback and helping to stimulate muscles and joints. Lifting her arms and placing her hands in a variety of positions so she can feel stable and confident. Challenging her balance by lifting and taking pre-steps. I like to start off with hands-on support for new walkers, providing help with maneuvering and pushing until she gets the hang of it. Now she has gotten her arms and legs lined up well and are stable. I begin to decrease my assistance and shadow her, providing help if she needs it. The large open area under the little balance box provides lots of room for the child to take steps. A great way to encourage your child to walk is to show them a preferred toy and encourage them to walk toward it. As you can see, the little balance box is the best push toy to help your child develop their coordination, balance, and walking skills.